GPS 34.
This is another one of those tough fixes that to do it right for the structure of the road and to do it right for the environment costs a fair bit of money. Those large stacking stones get placed in the river right along the bank in a way that it pins the bank back without impeding the river or without adding just boulders into the river. So by tucking those stones in and stacking them like Legos, you stop this from happening, which is actually this like escarpment where the road peels into the brook, and it's not good for us or the brook. So it's expensive.